Guys, this is going to be a very different video. We're in VR! Yeah! Right? Right? And guess what we are? We're a bird! We can poop. And we can poop on cars, but we can't get arrested. So we gotta be careful. The police are right there. Yeah, police car. Look, right there.
Sidewalk cafes.
You can go on them, by the way. But yeah, so I've already started a little bit. Just checking it out. It's fun. But guys, there's gonna be a massive twist in this video. We got guns, baby. That's gonna wait though. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for that. Oh. Ah! Alright. Yeah, so there's these birds around the town. You can get quests from them, unlock stuff, get money to buy more weapons.
One sec.
Woo!
That's enough.
But if we do something bad, the police will come for us. So, you can also find money on the ground if you knock out civilians. We got phone. You can fly with stuff.
Next step soon.
Oh. But you can
Awaiting
crash
further
too.
instructions from the universe.
Yo, guys. Kesim sim evi bus. We are the mayor. This is the guy that wants to kill all of the pigeons. We don't want that to happen. Poop on him. This is like GTA 5 as well. There's a 5-star wanted level if we do bad stuff and hit cops and kill cops. So we're going to be exploring the city. Maybe I'll do more videos on this. Oh. What I want to do, let's go over here. Whatever better thing to do is start off with a mafia? Thank you, tough. Prove it. Bring shiny objects. Shiny objects? You gotcha, bro. Bet. Woo! And there are markers that show you what you need to get for the mission. Like this one.
Attention citizens. The mayor speaks shortly in the central square. Attendance is strongly encouraged.
What? The mayor's gonna come? Yo, I haven't seen this actually. Boom.
Countdown. 30 seconds. Report to the main square and silence your rebellious snacks.
We got him fast. Hold up. You gotta come. Look, we got some money. We gotta look at the mayor though. Land's right on here.
Ongoing. Address in progress. Report to the main square and look purposeful.
I'm here. Where is he? He's the mayor! Oh, the police. Yo, the police. The police are grabbing her.
Walking the fine line between
On the shirt! Is that on the shirt? What the fuck? Guys, what the absolute hell just happened? Is he there? Wait, no! Fast, 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 fast. think he left. I think he left, bro. I don't think he likes us. Oh, he's gone. Did y'all see that? He had a rocket launcher. Well, let's do more of the Mafia quest, see if that comes back. Rival gang messed up the streets. Fix the road sign. Fix the road sign. Alright, that.
Don't overthink it.
Ooh!
For now, sure. Here for a bit.
Stride powered by vibes and questionable coffee. Stride as smooth as a playlist with no ads.
Yo, what the fuck? Alright, come on.
Left, right, existential crisis. Repeat.
Oh, come on. I'm not trying. Whoa, this road sign.
Feet, Joe. Walking like I
Holy.
remembered the stove, then didn't.
Oh. It's not good. Oh, there.
Morning air still fresh.
If you guys want to see more of this on the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Rivals don't trash no turf. Yeah, they did. Toss garbage bags in the dumpster. That. Pigeons.
Read the note. Stride set to cruise. Easy does it.
I might have just dropped garbage into the ocean. We don't talk about that. Alright.
Attention citizens. The mayor speaks shortly in Central Square.
He's coming.
Attendance is strongly encouraged.
He's coming, guys.
This way.
Guys, we have to kill him. Wait. I think it's time. It's time to get the guns, isn't it? I'm gonna pop that mayor in the freaking head. Guys, we're gonna kill the mayor. GG mayor. With
Final call. 30 seconds to the mayor's address. Move to the
With
square
this.
now. Power walks count.
Yes, sir! They're cooked. He's cooked. He's cooked. Not me. I'm gonna go right on top. Finish. Alright. We're gonna look down and wait for the mayor to come out. If you guys are scared of heights, I don't know if you guys are ready. It's a video game.
Immediate directive. The speech has begun. Assemble at the Central Square without delay.
Should we drop down?
Yes, you too.
You hear that, Ricochet?
He's dead! He's dead! I killed him! Die!
Cover! Find cover!
No! Welp, we died. Okay. We need to get the RPG to kill the mayor. We need to knock him out and steal the RPG before he can get us. Yes. Let's complete this mission. Rivals don't trash the turf. Trash garbage bags and dumpster. Alright, let's go. Let's not go crazy. As soon as we hear it, we're gonna start going to it. I mean, we gotta get it done.
Works for me.
You're sounding confident.
Gee willikers. Oh! There we go. We're good. Alright, we're gonna put in the last garbage bag. And then we are gonna move. We should go get a gun, maybe. Should we
Red means minivan.
We should have it gone to city. Walk.
Sidewalk mosaics.
Alright, let's go. We did it. 5K.
Hands in pockets, thoughts
We need to
out.
save up 1,500 for it for the other thing. Alright, go back to the go back to the mafia. We now control the hood. Okay. The market. Paint over viral graffiti. You got me right, baby. Let's go! Get this out of here. Oh, frick! The police are on us. You go! We gotta go fast. We can hide in dumpsters and. Who is? Whoa, that.
Colin, stand easy.
Okay, they didn't see me. Stop. Go, go, go. They don't see us. They don't see us. They don't see us. We're good. We're good. Got more? The cops are after me. The hood is covered in posters. Take down the posters. But where are they? Some down here. Oh yeah. Yeah. These.
Keep moving.
We're cooked! Go! Take down this last one. Then we'll jump in out of here. Get out of here! What? There's more! Over here! Go! Hide in the dumpster! No! Oh my gosh. Alright. Fucking snipers! Fucking sniper! What the frick? What the heck, bro? What the frick? Let me in! Yes! Go! In! We're good.
Tweet this throw. Evade this hotshot.
Trail's cold. Wrap it up.
Is that Ice Spice? Go. Woo! Some money on the ground right there. I'll get that. Baron? We don't got no more quests for the Mafia. Alright, first one down. Mafia.
Eyes catch color. Feet keep time.
Eyes up, face on.
Got it.
Head clear. Steps steady.
So many. Ah! Get the frick. Alright! We're done! I'm done! Everybody's done! I'm calling Africa City! Get freaking shot!
Get down.
Die! Oh! Get out of here! guys. We have died again. This can't be happening. Well, it did. Well, since guys, I am gonna look at my arsenal and think about what to do in the next video on this game, because I want to do it because it's fun and I love you. Where's the freaking... Oh, goodbye.